In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add devices to Nordvpn. We're going to ensure your experience is both smooth and secure. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Nordvpn app. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can do so by heading over to the Nordvpn website. Simply search for the download section and get started. Once the app is installed on your device, open it up to access the main dashboard. Next, look for the option labeled VPN. You'll typically find this in the main menu or home page of the app. It acts as your gateway to various features and settings that Nordvpn offers. When you click on it, you'll have access to different sections that help tailor your VPN experience to your needs. Once you've clicked on VPN, the next step is to locate the Devices option. This feature becomes especially handy if you're juggling multiple gadgets. Clicking on Devices will give you a detailed overview of all the current devices that are linked to your Nordvpn account. This is an essential feature if you're managing privacy across multiple platforms, as it allows you to keep track of where and how your VPN is activated. Now, with a clear view of your connected devices, it's time to explore adding new ones. Direct your attention to the section where it says, Link New Device. This tab is crucial because it will guide you through the process of expanding your VPN coverage to include more devices. By clicking on Link New Device, you'll enter a more in-depth setup process, where the app may prompt you to choose the type of device you wish to connect, be it a smartphone, tablet, or even another computer. While proceeding through this setup, it might be useful to keep your login credentials handy. Some devices might prompt you to log in again to ensure secure connection. Always double-check that you're using the correct account details to avoid any hiccups. This helps maintain a seamless and secure connection across all your devices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added new devices to your Nordvpn account. This ensures that no matter where you are or what device you're using, your internet connection remains private and secure. Remember, whether you're browsing from home or on the go, adding multiple devices to your Nordvpn account is a fantastic way to protect your online presence efficiently. If at any moment you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to consult Nordvpn's Help Center or reach out to their customer support for assistance. They offer extensive resources and support staff dedicated to providing assistance with any possible technical issues. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding devices to Nordvpn. I hope you found it informative and useful. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials in the future. Stay safe online, and until next time, take care.